I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make up your own filter sock. And what I'm going to be using is the wife's tights. Now I've nicked these from the drawer and hopefully she don't know they're gone. They're 15 denier, pack of 5, ankle highs. Yeah, okie doke, they sound alright. Let's have a look at one of them. Yeah, that's going to be perfect for a filter sock, I think. Yep. So the idea being that being your pipe that sort of comes back into your pond from your filters. All I was thinking of doing is sort of putting the tight over the pipe. That's going to collect all the all the really fine sort of debris and stuff like that what you don't normally see coming from your water or from your filters as well. So yeah, but I thought of a great idea as well just to hold that up, to be honest with you. And I'm going to use a little bit of bamboo, and what I'm thinking of doing here is sort of, if I stretch that out a little bit, because there's going to be water coming through that pipe, and I'm thinking maybe cut that through there. That's just going to hold up the tide rather than it sort of sagging. I'll just cut that through like that, and then what I was going to do is I'm just going to fix that bit of bamboo to the top of my pipe like that, and just put a little bit of tape on there just to hold it in place for now. Right, let's just hold that in place, and then I was going to feed the tight over that, and then fix that tight to the pipe, something like that. That's not looking too bad. So then you're going to need a Jubilee clip just to hold that in place. Get that on there like that, and then I can fix that down. That's going to go something like that. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, and let's fix that up. Yeah, so like I said, the idea being I'm going to collect all those fines from the filters using this DIY filter sock. Now the wife's tights. Yeah, so there you go. Something like that. Straighten that up a little bit. I think that's going to work a treat. Yeah, I'll fix that to the to my pipe work from my filters coming into the pond, and I'll show you how all that works. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to get this tied over the pipe there now. Just going to fix that bit of bamboo on the top there first, just so it don't move around. Something like that. Gonna feed the tight over the bamboo. Then I want to get that Jubilee clip on there. Just keeps that tight there nice and straight, you know.
But I think that's going to be perfect, that. Water's going to come gushing out of there, out that pipe. And that's going to collect all the fines from the filters. I've got the same to do on that one. So I'll get that done in a sec. And then all I've got to do is turn over the valve now and get the water pumping back out of these two pipes and see how these two work. Nice little DIY filter sock. There you go. It's working an absolute treat. That's going to be collecting all those fines from the filters. It literally took me 5 minutes to put on. Not even that. That's going to do a great job. There you go, making a filter sock out of the wife's tights. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.